Every bottle begins with carefully harvested pumpkins. Quality starts with careful handling in the field. Fresh harvest moves quickly toward processing.
The journey from field to factory remains carefully controlled.
Every shipment enters a synchronized production flow.
Inspection begins before processing ever starts.
The production line begins its continuous journey. Only the finest pumpkins move forward. Clean processing begins with pure water. Every clean surface prepares for perfect juice.
Freshly washed pumpkins continue toward precision processing.
Every surface is prepared for accurate inspection. Uniform size ensures consistent juice quality.
Every pumpkin earns its place on the production line.
Precision begins with careful preparation. Clean surfaces lead to cleaner juice.
Technology confirms what experience begins. Accurate measurements support consistent production.
The transformation is about to begin.
Now the heart of pumpkin juice production begins. Precision cutting prepares every piece for extraction.
Every valuable part follows its own purpose. Only pure pumpkin continues the journey. Fresh water preserves natural purity.
Every piece moves with perfect timing.
Preparation gives way to transformation. Fresh pumpkin becomes a rich, natural puree.
Continuous flow keeps production perfectly synchronized.
Uniform blending creates the foundation of every batch. The perfect blend is ready for advanced processing.
Controlled heat preserves both flavor and color.
Carefully balanced temperatures ensure safe, consistent juice.
Pressure refines every drop into silky perfection. Precision dosing creates a perfectly balanced recipe. Uniform blending guarantees consistency in every batch. Removing air protects freshness and texture.
Every filter brings greater purity. Technology keeps every stage perfectly synchronized. The finished juice awaits its final preparation. Now every drop is ready to become a finished product. Every clean bottle is prepared for perfect filling. Precision filling protects every drop. Every seal begins with precise alignment.
Secure sealing preserves lasting freshness.
Automation confirms every bottle meets the standard. Every label tells the story of quality. Every bottle carries its complete production history. A flawless finish completes the presentation. Precision continues beyond individual bottles. The finished packs now face their final inspection.
Every production batch is carefully verified.
Scientific testing confirms every batch.
Consistency begins with accurate measurement. Texture is measured with scientific precision.
Balanced quality protects every bottle.
Safety is verified through careful science.
Every approved batch earns its place.
Every detail reflects the factory standard.
Quality approval clears the path to shipment.
Now every approved bottle begins its journey to customers. Automation prepares every shipment with perfect precision. Secure packaging protects every bottle during transport. Every shipment remains fully traceable.
Finished products wait for delivery across the world.
Every shipment is prepared with careful coordination. Careful loading protects quality until delivery.
The journey now continues beyond the factory. And this is how modern factories produce pumpkin juice from start to finish. Innovation and precision transform harvest into refreshment.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.